this video I'm sharing the recipe for my burgers. American burgers, but with a Greek meat recipe that my mom used to make for us. The recipe is simple and really tasty. Ground beef, onion, egg, parsley, olive oil, a bit of mint, a mix of spices, salt and pepper, and plain breadcrumbs. A bit of yellow mustard and a splash of white vinegar. I'm baking them in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Let's assemble them. Tomato, pickles, onions, lettuce and barbecue sauce. These are on greekandsimple.com. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you like my videos, and if you do, then subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Enjoy!